If I am setting up my courses in Schoology and I am in a Project Lead the Way unit and I want to link my students directly to maybe the introduction story or one of the activities, I can do that by going to myPLTW portal, going to courses, choosing the student view. So since I'm going to post in a 3rd grade course, I'm going to choose the 3rd grade stability and motion unit. I would like to post a link for my students to go directly to this introduction story. So I'm going to come over here on the task pane. I'm going to right click on introduction story, copy the link address, then go to my Schoology course, and I would like this to be added as an assignment. So I am going to add the assignment. I'm going to call it introduction story. And then I'm going to insert content. I'm going to insert a link. I'm going to paste the link that I copied from myPLTW. And now all my students have to do is click on the Save the Tiger, and it will take them directly to the link. So if they come here and they click on Introduction Story, they click on Save the Tiger, it's going to take them directly to this. Now, if they have not signed in to myPLTW, it will take them to the sign-in page first, where they'll have to put their username and password. And then after that, it will take them directly to where it is that you want them to go. So I did the introduction story, but you could have the activity 2. You could choose any of these areas to right-click and copy the link, and it will take them directly there. So you don't have to worry about navigating them through the entire portal to get to the lesson that you want for the day.